for 10 Minutes Better, I'm going to declutter some clothing. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Post-holiday season, what can I say? Sometimes we have more stuff than we had going into the holidays, and that is definitely the case for me this year. Today I am wearing this hoodie that I got for the holiday season, along with these leggings and even these sneakers. All of these I got for the holidays, and I absolutely love them. The problem is I have nowhere to put them because my hoodie drawer is completely full, and my legging drawer is completely full, and the place where I store my sneakers in my closet is completely full. So I need a place to put these things along with a couple of other things that I got for the holiday season. So I'm going to see how much decluttering I can get done in 10 minutes. I think I can definitely make a space for this stuff and maybe go through a couple of extra drawers. We'll just see how much I get done in that 10 minutes. But first and foremost, I want to thank Melinda from Melinda Plain and Simple for putting 10 Minutes Better together. 10 Minutes Better is a collaboration that we do the first Friday of each month, and it just shows you what you can do in a small amount of time. So it's all about making progress, doing little steps to whatever it is you're trying to do, whether it's declutter or just whatever you happen to do. And she gives us a theme each and every month. And this month the theme is out with the old. So my theme is going to be out with the old, in with the new, because when I wash the stuff, I need a place for it to go. So I'm calling this video Out with the Old, In with the New. And anyway, let's get busy decluttering. Oh, do not forget, check out in my description box Melinda's channel. She is one of my dear friends on YouTube. I talk to her every single day. Absolutely love her. You will love her. She does the greatest poems ever, and I would love for you to check her channel out. So I'm going to put her down in my description box below, along with today's 10 Minutes Better playlist, and I hope you will check them all out. But before that, let's go do some decluttering so that I can make room for my new items.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that heart and bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego.
So I definitely have enough room for my new hoodie now, and it's nicely and it's not crammed in. So that is one drawer done.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
did just my leggings today, but that's all I needed to do, and now they are nice and neat in here, and I have room for more.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego.
I was able to find a pair of shoes that I wanted to let go of, and I actually condensed some and made some more storage, so I definitely have room for my new sneakers now.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you go.
So you'll see that this is not 100% perfect, but most things in life are not perfect. Really, nothing in life is perfect. But I do have extra room here, and I did keep a fair amount, but I also got rid of a fair amount. So I just wanted to show you some of the things that I decided to go ahead and let go. I have these sneakers, they're Skechers. I bought them and never really wore them, so I am okay with parting with these. These leggings are, honestly, they're just too patterned for me. I liked them for a season, but I am ready to let these go. These gray leggings I got and I just never wore them. These are like Adidas leggings, and again, I have a really, the way I'm built, I have long legs and a smaller torso, so these just are really, leggings are really hard to find that go all the way down for me, and these are really, really short on me, so I'm going to go ahead and let these go. This shirt, I absolutely love this shirt. It's so comfortable, but it's way too oversized, and so maybe I can find, maybe there's somebody out there that could get more use out of it, and I have not worn it in a couple of years, to be honest. This pajama shirt from Victoria's Secret. These pajama bottoms from Victoria's Secret, I'm gonna let go of. These pajama bottoms, I had two identical pairs, so I'm letting one go. I'm not sure, I know that you guys noticed I folded my pajamas a little bit differently. I liked how I was folding them, but I was the only person that could fold it that way, so I'm trying to kind of see if I can maybe come up with a different way of folding them. And then this is a pajama set that has like some capri, like little capri pants and just a t-shirt with it. I'm sadly letting go of my Live, Laugh, Love with Jen hoodie. I love this hoodie. My friend Tiffany from Small Town Apparel made this hoodie for me, but I wore it to the point that it is faded and it has some holes in it, so it's time to get rid of it. I have a monogrammed hoodie, same thing. I wore it, the strings are out of it. The pockets are falling off, so I just need to get rid of that one. This is a hoodie that I bought only a couple of months ago, but it just did not hold up very well at all. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and let this one go. And then I have just some pajama bottoms that I do not wear anymore. And I have another Victoria's Secret, or this is actually a pink sleeping shirt that I am going to let go of as well. So let's count this total number of items. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the shoes make 15. So within 10 minutes, I was able to declutter 15 items, out with that old so I can bring in new, and I even got to clean out a couple of drawers. So I feel very good about it. So that's awesome. Lily and I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video, right, Lily? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I was able to accomplish so much in just a little over 10 minutes, and I hope that this video motivated and inspired you. I also want to tell you, if you happen to be new to my channel, I would absolutely love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. Just click on that subscribe button, and most importantly, remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye. You want to say bye, Lily? You want to say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Mwah. Say bye. Look up here and say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
And on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not doing.